Hi guys, welcome to Higher Education. Today we will learn some phrase about do. Assalomu alaykum savoldoshlar, yaxshimisizlar? Bugun sizlar bilan do bilan munosabatli bo'lgan bir qancha so'z birikmalarini o'rganamiz. Masalan, do best, yaxshi qilmoq degan gap. Do best, yaxshi qilmoq. Do homework, oila topshiriq ishlamak. Do a favor, yordamlashmak, qilish bermak. Do job, ish qilmoq degan gap. Do work, ishlamak. Do exercise, mashq qilmak yoki badan chiniqtirmoq degan gap. Do shopping degan narsa kerak sotib olmoq degan gap. Do business, do business, do business degancha savdo qilmoq, pul topmoq degan gap. Undan so'ng birisini bir misoldan ko'rib boqaylik. Don't worry, I'll do my best. Do best degan nima? Do best, yaxshi qilmoq degan gap. Don't worry, I'll do my best. Answermagan, men cho'qim qadar yaxshi qilaman degan gap. Next one is do homework. Oila topshiriq ishlamak degan gap. When did you do your homework? Sen qachon topshiriqni ishlading? Yoki the children always do their homework in the evening. Bolalar davomli kech qanaqilda oila topshiriqni ishlaydi degan gap. Next one is do a favor. Yordamlashmak degan gap. Do a favor degan yordamlashmak. Masalan, do me a favor please. Menga bir yordamlashingiz bo'pti ekan, xafa bo'lmaysiz. Do me a favor please. Do me a favor degan nima ekan? Yordamlashmak degan gap. Next one is do job. Ish qilmoq degan gap. Masalan, I did a few jobs about the house. I did. Ama do degan gapni o'tkazilgan shakli I did a few jobs. Azroq xizmat, nima azroq ish about munosabatlik the house uy bilan. Demak, o'g'ni men azroq uy ish qildim degan gap. I did a few jobs about the house. Keyingisi masalan do work. Men ishlamak degan gap. Ishlamak. I can't do any more work today because I am very tired. Nima? I can't do. Men qilolmayman, etolmayman any more work. Nima? Atexim ko'p xizmatni, atexim ko'p ishlayolmayman today, bugun. Because I am very tired. Chunki men qana qildim? Bak erib ketdim. Tired ga erib ketish degan gap, Next one is do exercise. Do exercise ga mashq qilmak yoki nima badan chiniqtirmoq degan gap. Masalan, we do exercise every day after class. Biz kunda qala darsdan keyin mashq ishlaymiz. Masalan, we do exercise ga mashq ishlash every day degan har kuni after class. Darsdan keyin degan gap, Masalan, badan chiniqtirishga misol olsak, I always do exercise in the morning. Men doim etganlar qanday qilaman? Chiniqaman degan gap. Etganlari badan chiniqtiraman degan gap. What about you? Do you exercise every day? Siz-chi? Siz har kuni etgan badan chiniqtiramsiz? Next one is do shopping. Do shopping. Biz go shopping deymiz. Go shopping degan narsa kerak sotib olib berish degan gap. Ammo do shopping degan narsa kerak sotib olish degan gap. Masalan, I did a lot of shopping for this festival. Men bu qatimliq Eidga qana qildim? Nurg'ilgan kiyim-kechak sotib oldim degan gap. Yoki nurg'ilgan narsa sotib oldim degan gap, Masalan, I did. Men do-ni o'tgan zaman shakli nima? Do asla I did. Qildim, etdim. Shunama I did shopping. Qana qildim? Narsa kerak sotib oldim. I did a lot of shopping. A lot of degan ko'p degan gap. I did a lot of shopping for degan uchun this festival. Festival degan Eid bayram. Yoki demak shunaq bayram kunlarini o'tganmiz. Festival. Biz ham Eidni festival desak bo'ldi. Festival, Eid. The last phrase is do business. Eng so'z birikmamiz bo'lsa valla savdo qilmoq degan gap, savdo qilmoq. Demak, shu o'g'ini jiqroq pul topmoq degan gap. Masalan, the shop does very good business. The shop does very good business. U dukkan qana qildi? Obdan savdo qildi yoki savdosi yaxshi degan gap, Masalan, the Apple company does very good business. Olma shirkati qana qildi? Aynan yaxshi savdo qildi yoki savdosi yaxshi, tafovut yaxshi degan gap, Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.